All right, let's do a little update on the Riverview house. Cutting the grass over at that house there. This is current situation, current state of play. Everything is down to the studs. So we got, trying to show you the floor here. Everything's been ripped out, all of the sheetrock, the wood paneling and the insulation. No smell of smoke anymore though. Silver lining. Subfloor, which was too thin anyway, has been ripped up in most of it apart from here. But so this acted kind of like a bath underneath the house. It's lower here than the dirt outside, so then the rain or the water, or sometimes even the tide, because the river is right there, would come in, you know. And so, you know, we like our seawater to be in the sea, not under the house, and so do the joists. So this has got to be built up. Everything had to be ripped out, the AC units and the wiring and all that, and pipes. The only thing left there is like the sewer pipe, which has got to be rerouted. But we're waiting for the septic company to come in and say where it needs to be. Before, next step, adding sand and dirt to this, building it up, maybe, well, to that line right there, you can see where the water rose to. So it's got to be above that, and then kind of a French drain put around the house. And then the water, you know, will not then gather underneath the house and cause rot and all that kind of issue. So, pretty boring stuff. So this was like the, you know, the main floor bathroom in there. What we're going to do is make this just like a loo, like a powder room, sink and toilet, end it here, and then both bedrooms will then be en suite. It was actually my idea. So that wall comes out, and then this was the original bedroom here, and this was the closet. Well, now this can become a bathroom. So this bedroom will have its own full bath, and then so will this one, which was technically the master. But all that, see, it's got to be, that's where the dirt's going to be coming in and piled up and all that, the soil, the sand, or whatever you call it. And then the other bathroom's going to go right there. And this is the closet. So this wall will stay, and this will be, again, the utility / boot room. A wall will go back here, the other side of this window, and then this wall will go, and then it'll be all open plan. So this will be like the lounge area, front porch there, double doors there, because there's the view, there's the water. I don't think you can see at this point, this vantage point. And then that will be the kitchen. So it'll all be open plan, and then a door there. I've got to watch this. Door there, going outside. So it always looks worse before it looks better and all that crap, and costs more and takes longer. I wanted to be in by Christmas. Remember, we were just going to do paint the walls and sand the floors. Yeah, right. Anyway, it's going to be worth it. So there's the river. That's the East River. And it's brackish water. Well, I think, no, it's more than brackish. It's the bay's right there. The Mobjack Bay, Chesapeake Bay. It's so peaceful down here. It's a Friday, the weekend, the boats are all up and down now, just love it. Jet skis and all that, so. Alright. There's not much to report, just demo. But imagine this having a front porch. The French windows will go there. The windows are all being replaced. But it's just going to change the front of the house dramatically. And the front door is going to come out to here. I don't like that little claustrophobic little passageway there to get to the front door. This will be gone and then the front door will be there. All right, cheers.